apology. Former mayor of Kingston speaks out amidst controversy surrounding multi-million-dollar renovation of Ward Theatre. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, firefighters investigate blaze at warehouse of Fesco gas station. And Prime Minister announces 2 new ministers. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.